DoorDash, so Nick is freaking out.
Look at, they got little popcorn
because
stands.
there is literally no parking spots, and we're not even close to the town. Like, yeah,
we're kind of close, but
no, we're not close enough that like this many cars are parked. That means it's gonna be jam packed.
Yeah.
Happy 4th of July.
It's busy.
I don't know. I feel like it is what it is. Like, we're out parked on the grass, you guys. For sure, it's a little crazy, but all of the cars are parked on the grass, so.
Alright guys, so this is our first time in celebrations on 4th of July, and oh my god, so many vehicles. So it must be fun. I'm excited. We almost head to the Polynesian. That was where we were first going to go to, is the Polynesian. Then we're like, let's try something different, you know? Let's go to Celebrations, which is one of our favorite little cities. We live, what, 15 minutes away from here? So, something different. We usually go to the Disney park, so this should be fun. You excited?
I'm really excited.
We brought Peppy too.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, he hates the drains.
He hates the drains, he hates fireworks, so we try to get him used to stuff. That's why we're taking him everywhere.
Yeah, we almost left him at home, but we're like, no, you might as well come on, Peppy. So here he is.
Red, white, and blue.
Alright guys, so we're here in Celebrations, Florida, about 15 minutes away from Disney, and I'll tell you, I've never seen it this busy, and I love it. They got all kinds of little food carts over there. They got all the fireworks. There's the food carts, food tents. They got all the fireworks are over here in that area, so it should be pretty cool. It's our first time doing it though, but we'll definitely probably be back. They got a little tent out here at the Colombian restaurant, which looks really nice. $12 salads, not too bad. They got the papaya over there too. Wow, looks good. Sam's gonna get a little papaya. What's this called here?
Paella de pollo.
Paella de pollo, yes.
So rice and chicken.
Here we go. My pleasure.
Gonna get cold.
Would you like the full shot?
Oh, have you ever ate here?
No.
Oh, me and my mom ate here in Jade. Yeah, very good, huh?
Oh, that's excellent.
Oh yeah, wow. It's our first. All right, so this is our first time. Me, my mom, and Gianna had this restaurant before. I think I got the Cuban. I got the Cuban sandwich. I forget what Gianna got. Probably like a burger or something. But Sam's never had it. And they have
It's
a little.
really
they
good.
have a little outdoor booth tonight. So yeah,
It's good.
you can't beat it.
There's like onions, artichoke, bacon, peas,
Oh, it's worth it.
tomatoes,
It is worth it.
everything. It's so
They got a
good.
live band here too tonight.
It's gonna be fun.
Yeah, I'm glad we came here. We almost went to Polynesian, but
No?
something different.
Yeah. This is fun.
She definitely knows. She knows her personally.
Alright, so it looks like we found a spot. Hopefully this is going to be a good spot to watch the fireworks. I don't know if they're going to take and shut those lights off, but hopefully that they do. Nick is just running around. They have music way over there and some stands for food and drinks and stuff like that. So we are just waiting until they start. Right now it is currently 9:03, so they should be starting soon. So it's going to be a good spot.
A new place, a new home, for a while, let me feel alive. Nothing to hold me back, take my time, just enjoy the ride. A new man passing by, life is good, best I've ever felt. Get me up, somewhere new, somewhere I can find myself. Oh, I feel so alive. As I reach out I was in the dark against it all, but made it through the day. Cause I found my way, I found my way. In bad times, I know I'll be okay. Cause I found my way.
Wow, you guys, so we brought Peppy with us, and honestly, that was so scary for him. Thinking that it was gonna be way harder for him being at home alone with the fireworks going off, but yeah, that was really, really hard on him. Nick was totally freaked out. We were like all freaked out that we didn't get to watch it, but the fireworks were so good. Guys, we could have not found a better spot. Like, they have all these cars here, and we were able to park right here. Perfect. I hope that you guys were able to enjoy the fireworks, because I feel like, honestly, we weren't able to enjoy it because we were so worried about Pepper. Peppy! He's still panting, and we carried him. Peppy! Hey, Peppermint.
Peppy, look over there.
He doesn't even want to look. Hey, 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 hey.
Oh my god, are you serious?
He doesn't like that. He's okay, Bubber.
They have more fireworks.
It's okay. It's probably just people in the street letting off fireworks. What did you think of the fireworks?
They were very cool. I didn't like when it flashed with a bunch of white lights.
And you were a little distracted too because of Peppy.
Yeah, and I didn't really see all of it because I was trying to make sure Peppy was okay. So I thought he was gonna have like a seizure or something. So shaking. He was already shaking, like really scared. So
really bad.
Guys, we spent a little time in traffic, but we ordered pizza.
Just hanging out with the neighbors. It's honestly
Playing
really
outside.
cool because we have like this 360 view of fireworks. So all of the neighbors are like hanging out in the little court, and then we're watching all the fireworks go off. So that's kind of cool. Alright guys, so it is officially the next day. We hope that you all had an amazing 4th of July. We decided to come here to Epcot.
Yes, we're excited. Our first time on the Cosmic Rewind. We got the. I woke up about 7. Got the pass. Then we'll show you.
Nice.
We will show you the app. We have it on our phone. How we got the pass and everything. I'll pull that up right now. And we're ready to go. Our time was I think it'll say it on there, but I think it was like 500 minutes or something like that. We had to wait, but it was worth it. Now we're here.
Let's
You
go.
excited, G?
Yes.
I'm excited. All right, here we go, guys.
Look at G.
What are you doing, cooling off?
Yes.
It's not that hot here in Florida, is it? It's really hot. I wonder what the temp is today. Nick's got his little umbrella. It's hot, you guys. It's super, super, super hot. Look, right here. I can't believe it. I was jealous. A couple weeks ago, we had some YouTube friends here, and everyone got to go on it. I didn't, so I was like,
Ready?
let's go.
All right.
To the universe.
Wow, I feel like I'm in space. It's a big cube. Ceiling.
We were delighted to see an image of our Andromeda galaxy being joined.
Anyways, I danced circles around the Creed dude. Totally safe there.
Your weird and embarrassing dance display was a means of distraction for the rocket to destroy the Creed.
Thank you, Drax, for setting the record straight for our viewers.
All kinds of cool little
Courage, Peter Quill. To play around
artifacts
like a
laying
total fool to help
around. You're riding with Mom, not me? Why are you riding with
Because she's
Mom?
gonna be like, gonna make me feel very secure.
And I don't?
No, you do, but you're like, oh, go, oh my god, it's going. Ah.
Yeah, that's the best part.
And I'm always like, it's okay. Here.
It's gonna be fine. I think it's gonna be fun. She's worried about it, but it's like,
I think it's pretty fast, but we're gonna have a blast.
Ah. rhyme.
I didn't even mean to either.
But I mean, you like fast. You like Test Track, right?
Yeah.
And you like, what's the other one that you like? You like Transformers. You like all kinds.
Hagrid's? Hagrid's, you took a little while to get used to, but you love it now, don't you?
Yeah.
And that one's outside.
I still don't like one part of it, but
Oh yeah, the little corner drop?
I hate when it
This
goes
doesn't
like.
go outside or anything, right?
No, I don't think so. Like,
Inside the building. You're fine.
I think it's
Building ones are the worst.
I think it's dark though.
Building ones are the worst.
They always have the dark.
It's gonna be like Mummy.
No, it's not. Why would you say that to her? See, that's why she wants to ride with me and not him. He's trying to scare her.
I'm just preparing you.
No.
All right, here we go.
As such, we are all galactic neighbors in a vast universe which we and countless others share. For you to travel to Xandar would take 2.5 million years, assuming you had a ship that could fly at the speed of light. So we decided to come to you. But even we could not have reached you so easily were it not for the Cosmic Generator, an advanced piece of Xandarian technology that creates jump points, artificial tunnels that act as shortcuts, linking distant points in space. It is our desire to share this wondrous technology with your people so that together we might explore new worlds and create a brighter tomorrow. And now, as the culmination of the wonders of Xandar, you will be teleported to a Nova ship above your planet for a demonstration of the Cosmic Generator. I trust you will find it an unforgettable experience.
Oh my gosh, you guys, we just went on the new ride and that is crazy. Insane. That was the best ride ever.
Best ride I've ever been on.
Ever. Like the adrenaline, I'm not saying anything.
I don't even know if Tron can keep up with that. I don't even think Tron's gonna be that good.
That's crazy.
Honestly.
That was so freaking awesome. If you're here at Epcot or you get the chance to go, you need to go. That was, I can't believe we waited this long. It's crazy.
I want to go
very
like
good ride.
I want to go like tomorrow to go again because
Yeah, that was crazy. And G was so nervous, but it wasn't as bad as you thought, right?
it's pretty intense. It's kind of like
intense
the
for
Mummy
sure.
a little bit. It's just like a spaceship Earth. Or no, what's the one called?
You can't say it. You know what? I don't want you guys knowing anything. Nothing.
Because we didn't know that.
Yeah.
We didn't even watch
That was
any
the best thing.
videos
We
on
didn't
it.
watch nothing. We wanted to be super surprised on everything. And I'm so, so, so happy that we did that because it just made the experience of the ride that much better. So don't watch any videos, don't look it up, don't do anything. And we're not showing you nothing. All right, guys.
All right, let's go get some food.
Let's go. She's hot. Are you hot? We just walked around forever, you guys, trying to find somewhere to eat.
All right, guys, we are here at the San Angeli Inn, I believe it's called. We are gonna check this out. We've never been here. We've came in a few times. I've always wanted to check it out, but we got a great seat right next to it.
Actually, people going on the ride.
Yeah, we're gonna do that right after. You wanna go on the ride after?
Never been on there, right?
Well, I have when I was really.
There's only one drop.
It's like fresh, right?
Sam loves her
Chips and salsa.
chips and salsa, so we got her the chips and salsa. She likes it spicy too, so he brought a couple different. He brought a couple different spices.
That one's to wash it down.
Yeah, so he
That's
said,
the spicy, right?
this is really, really spicy. He said, try this first. This has got a kick. And if that's not enough kick for me, then I need to try it this. And if that's too much, then I need to mix these two
Yeah.
together.
Ooh, she's excited. And then here's Gianna's salsa right here.
I like the hot one too.
Do you want to
The
try
one
it?
I just tried it.
The hot one?
Oh, that
Not
one's
that one.
That's not hot, baby.
That one. I tried that
Oh,
one.
you did
And
try
they
it?
really give you a nice thing of chips here too. I like that.
I like their chips.
I had
ready?
that one.
Try the green one, G.
I just had that one.
No, the other one.
I'm gonna try
That's the
it.
sriracha one.
Pretty spicy. Gee, that's gonna be very hot.
I love that.
I hate chunks.
That tastes like my Via Virginia's salsa.
It's gonna be hot. Pretty good? Yeah.
Spicy.
Oh yeah.
Oh, no, I
Just
can
my
tell.
tongue.
It's just my tongue. That's hot. I want to try it.
Good?
That's not spicy.
It's not actually that
Got a
bad.
kick.
Yeah, my tongue's burning right now.
It's just my
All right,
tongue.
we're
not
gonna
her.
dive in. All right, guys, we are back here. Yeah, we got Gianna's food in, and she's gonna
Quick,
go ahead and
really
get
quick.
Them shells look really good. They look homemade almost.
They do. I was gonna say that. They're like a little fluffy.
Oh, cheese. Whoa. 1 to 10.
7.
7, not bad. Would you,
Not
eat it?
bad.
Would you come back again?
Maybe.
Medium.
Yep. Put all over your face.
I kind of would.
Alrighty.
It looks so good, right?
Are you excited?
That's a new way to eat a Caesar. Like I've never ate a Caesar like
Yeah,
that.
Caesars were invented in Mexico, actually.
Oh yeah, who were you saying that? You said that to me.
Yeah. It's like a
Ooh,
what
look
do you
at that
call it?
chicken. It's like beautiful.
Deconstructed Caesar, that's the word
There
I
you
was
go,
looking for.
yeah. That's a good piece of chicken.
Alright, 1 to 10. Oh, that was a good bite.
The dressing's
So
really
fresh
good.
and juicy.
It's hot. That's really good. That's different.
Guys, we are on Flamingo. I haven't been on this ride since I was like 4.
Or 5. I think
Or
you're
5.
one of the two.
And I don't know. This is for babies, but we'll try.
Yeah.
I don't remember absolutely anything about it, so
Nick's like, you're gonna wanna go on the baby ride? I'm like, our baby's gonna be turning 10 soon. Are you excited?
kind of.
She's excited. It's so cute. It's Finding Nemo. Just what you wanted to come on here. Nick's sleeping. We're only 2 minutes into the ride now. It's fun.
Mr. Ray, we can't explore without Nemo.
I sure will see him any minute now.
Nemo!
Whoa! Kill a motor, dude.
What is it?
Dolphin?
Me and Nick were having a debate. I told him this was a real aquarium. Is that what that is?
Look at Tarpon. Oh my god. Oh my god. It's coming for us. Look it up.
It's coming.
Wait, it's kind of hard. You can't look down because if you look down, you can it's
Look at the little fish down there, Jake. His little face. It says that there's dolphins and sharks there.
There's dolphins.
It's saying oh, look at there's a stingray.
Wait.
It's right here.
Dolphin right there. That's a shark. Oh, that's a shark. Yeah. That is a shark. It is a shark.
It's half dead, whatever it is.
No, it's not.
Yeah,
He's moving.
yeah, he wouldn't be
Shark in here.
It's a dolphin, not a shark, guys.
No, that is a dolphin. I can see the tail. Oh, that's. It's getting water or something. Where'd he go? Right there. He's up there.
Oh, he's going over by the. He's gonna go through that door. Look. No, it didn't.
Wait, he can go through that door? That's so cool. It's just his own personal. They're literally sitting on top of the stingray's back. They're so.
Following him.
These look like piranhas, right?
I don't know.
What are those?
I don't know anything about
Look at, they're literally
fish.
riding on his back. So cool. There's so many
Oh,
fish.
that's cool.
Yeah, we're in like this manatee center or something. Look at the manatee. It shows them where they're from, which is right here. And the big manatee. Look at him.
How's it going?
He's so big. Let's see where he's from. He's from West Indian manatee, I think. Oh, there's
We're looking at the manatee. Now we're on the lower level room.
exact thing, guys. Because remember when you saw us up there?
Saw him upstairs.
The same exact thing. Oh, there's one right
Another
there.
one.
Right there. It's a manatee.
Look at he's spinning.
There's like, oh, that guy's spinning.
He likes doing that.
Yeah, we saw him on the upper level spinning too.
Oh, look at Tori.
But she doesn't have a... That's supposed to be Dory, but it doesn't really look like her.
Well, still.
Like similar.
Because that's a digital and that's real life. Coral reefs.
Oh, Dory's in here.
How fun.
I'm gonna read this. It says, did you know that some fish can use camouflage to make them look unfished?
You guys, we found Nemo. He's so little.
He's
where's he
literally right
going?
there. I think
He's so
oh, look,
tiny.
He's coming. He's coming. No, he's not.
Oh, he's hiding.
Nemo. What?
He's camera shy.
No, he sees
Oh,
that
there
red.
he is.
Hi, Nemo. Did you know that catfish stray, no father?
He's trying to get in there. It's so funny.
No, he's like, I think he's trying to eat something. Oh, he's trying to go down that. Oh,
Yeah.
What if he gets stuck?
No. He
Look
knows
at him
how
trying to go in that little.
He knows how to get out.
There he is. No, he's going down. He just wants to go everywhere.
Clownfish.
Venomous fish that can cause illness or death by injecting a toxin, while poisonous fish must be eaten due to harm. Look at that. I don't know what that is, but it's like sticking right there. It's alive.
Yeah, that is
It's
crazy.
green. It's green. It's sticking. Look at that. So this is like a lobster or something. And then look at these. These are actually fish at the bottom. They have eyes.
That's so crazy.
And then look at this seahorse. And then there's this right there with the red eyes.
She doesn't like that one.
And then these looking like octopus up here.
We got a little shark world. So if you have little ones, they can come in here and hang out. I think that's super cool. We haven't been here in so long.
Guys, that is it. We are actually heading to the car, and today was a very fun day. We got on like 4 rides, but we did do a lot, and we were here for a long time. So
How was Guardians of the Galaxy?
10 out of 10. No, 9.
9? What?
Nine.
What's going to be better than that?
I would give
Tron?
it a 9. Oh, actually, so I really like Soarin'.
Oh, yeah.
But I thought Soarin' was Flight of Passage.
Yeah, it's a lot different, though.
For some
than-
reason. I know. I like definitely flying on the Banshee better than Soarin'.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that's what I thought too when I was like, oh, I got emotional. No, flying on the Banshees is what I liked a lot more. Soarin's really good though. And then the Galaxy was amazing. No, what was it called?
Guardians of the Galaxy.
Cosmic Rewind, yeah.
Cosmic Rewind. I'm terrible at names. That was my favorite. That was the best. We had fun little time. A couple hours, hung out. Now we are ready to go. It's hot. So we will see you guys next time. Thank you so much for watching.